Welcome to our $100 million chicken mega factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how AI and automation help us produce over 500.
Our AI system meticulously balances the precise mix of feed, optimal temperature, and real-time health data. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure quality, safety, and efficiency.
Every package is inspected before leaving the facility.
Okay, bring it straight back. Watch the clearance on the right.
Roger, looking good. And that's how chicken is produced in a $100 million AI-powered mega factory process, from start to finish.